So.
Okay, we're going to Jesse's, people. We're gonna get some shrimp and grits. What do you think, Charles?
I think
if it ain't too expensive,
probably $15 for the shrimp and grits. But that's the most I want to pay for a shrimp and grit.
Okay.
For lunch. Come on, $15.
Yep.
That's possibly with a drink.
We meeting with the architect?
Yeah, I mean, get some architectural blueprints up here, and he lives.
Dang it, the architect should be paying for our lunch today, then.
Yeah. And they're putting metal on the building,
yeah,
and they want to put vinyl over the metal after it's done. So finished product over finished product. So I said, yeah, sure, whatever you want, you know.
Did you still got to give him a price, huh?
Yeah. I'm gonna do them right though. I think it's for he didn't. It's for a group or organization. He didn't tell me who. I think he did. I think it was like a church or something. So I'm probably gonna cut my price down.
Just to get your foot in the door?
Well, no, just not a tithe, but you know, just
I hear you.
Give back just something, you know, something.
Yep. There you go, people. We're checking the next big job, and we're going to Jesse's.
It's pretty cheap. It's pretty cheap. It's
good
deals. Really good deals. $10, $15. 125 for the porterhouse for two, though.
Okay, what's your verdict so far?
It's nice. You know?
Yeah, it looks nice in there. Somebody had wine over there.
Yeah. Definitely a date place. You know, bring your wife. You know, comb the hair. You know how it is.
There we go, folks. Enjoy your meals. I got the probably get like French dip.
Au jus.
With au jus, yeah.
And I got the half-pound bacon cheeseburger.
Brisket.
Yeah.
You got that half-pound specially ground
bacon cheeseburger with goat cheese.
With goat cheese. There we go.
$18. You know, not bad.
Stay tuned, people. Okay, folks. That first bite was so good. Look how red that is.
It was hot.
This brisket is so tender too with the au jus. You can't get that at Arby's.
It's pretty good.
There we go. That's pretty dang good, Charles.
Yeah.
I asked for extra au jus, and I got a big cup.
You got a boat.
Yeah.
You
Can't even finish it all.
Taste the steak in that burger. I know, it was good, delicious. Got to bring the wife here.
There we go, folks. I gave it a 10.
Oh, was that good, huh?
I think so.
I give mine a 10 too.
I can't even finish it.
The fries was even good. They put some kind of Parmesan cheese on the fries, flaky cheese. It was delicious. I give it a 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Yeah. Even the price was good. Fine dining, really.
10 out of 10 for me. Back to Jesse's.
Jesse's in Magnolia Springs, Alabama.